Hello everyone, welcome to English Grammar and Literature World. Today's topic is idioms and phrases, starting with letter J and K. As you know, we have already started idioms and phrases marathon based on SSC CGL, CHSL, MTS as well as state competitive exams. And this class will be the 10th part of our complete idioms and phrases. So let's start today's video. So look at the first one, jaundiced eye. So what is the meaning of the idiom jaundiced eye? So look, the idiom jaundiced eye suggests to look upon something with prejudice, usually in a cynical or a negative way. Okay, so just you have to remember jaundiced eye suggests prejudice, or you can say one kind of hatred. Okay, so the right answer is option B, with hatred or prejudice. Next, jump at the chance means. So here is the word jump. Actually, jump suggests to do something quickly. So jump at the chance suggests to accept something eagerly. Okay, to accept something eagerly. So the right answer is option B, accept eagerly. Actually, this idiom is used when someone doesn't hesitate and quickly grabs a good opportunity. Okay, so jump at the chance, so to do something early or to do something eagerly. So option B, accept eagerly, is the right meaning of the idiom jump at the chance. Got it? Very good. Next, keep up appearances. Tell me the right answer of appearances. So appearance suggests the outer part of body. Okay, so keep up appearance means to maintain outward show even if the reality is different. Understand? Actually, the right answer is option B, to maintain outward show. To maintain outward show. Actually, this idiom suggests pretending everything is fine, especially in public, even if things are bad inside. Okay, so just you are showing your appearance that you are good, but in your inner part you are not good. So this is the difference. So to maintain outward show, that is keep up appearance. Next, jump the gun. I have already told you jump suggests to do something quickly, eagerly, etc., etc. So jump the gun means to start something too early. To start something early. So the right answer is option D, start early. So option D is the right meaning of the idiom jump the gun. Next, joyride. So what is the meaning of joyride? So joyride means a ride for fun or excitement. Actually, it is a short trip taken for enjoyment, or you can say not a serious journey. So actually, joyride suggests one kind of ride for fun or excitement. Excitement or fun, that is joyride. So look at the options. Which one is the right answer? The right answer is option D, that is a ride for pleasure. Okay, a ride for pleasure, not for any serious issue, only for excitement, only for fun. Next, keep abreast of. So the phrase keep abreast of suggests to stay updated. To stay updated. Okay. So the right answer is option D, that is not to fall behind. But the meaning of not to fall behind is staying informed about latest events or developments. Okay, so the meaning of not to fall behind is staying updated. Next, jack of all trades. So the phrase jack of all trades suggests a person who knows a bit of everything. Okay, actually the phrase suggests one kind of skilled, someone have a skilled in many sectors. Okay, skilled. So the right answer is option C, skilled in many fields or many sectors. The idiom jack of all trades suggests skilled in many fields. Next, join the ranks. So join the ranks means to become a part of a group. To become a part of a group, or you can say to enter into a group or professions. Okay, actually to become a part of a group, that is join the ranks. Just you can remember join means to add. Okay, so join the ranks, to become a part of a group. So option C, become a part of a group, is the right answer. Next, keep one's temper means. So just tell me the right meaning. Keep one's temper. Actually, the idiom suggests to remain calm. To remain yes, to remain calm. So actually controlling your anger even in stressful situation. Okay, so calm down, that is keep one's temper. So option C, yes, remain calm is the right answer. Next, juggle with fingers. Juggle with fingers means to manipulate or cheat with numbers. So just to manipulate, or you can say cheat with numbers. So look at the options. Option A, cheat in calculation, is the right answer. Okay, so option A is the right answer. Next, keep body and soul together. So this one is very important. So tell me the right answer. Keep body and soul together. Actually, the idiom suggests to survive with basic needs. Okay, to survive with basic needs. So option A, to maintain life. To maintain life is the right meaning of the idiom keep body and soul together. Keep an eye on. So keep an eye on suggests to watch or monitor. Okay, to watch or monitor. So someone who is very watchful person, someone who is very cautious, that is keep an eye. So option A, observe is the right answer. Observe. Actually, the idiom suggests keeping something under close observation. Okay, keeping something under close observation. Okay, next, just for the record means. So just for the record suggests to say something officially or for clarity. Okay, to say something officially. Okay, Actually, the idiom suggests to clarify a point, so it is noted clearly, just for record, not for humble purpose. Okay, so which one is the right answer? Option B. Yes, option B, officially mentioned, is the right option. Officially mentioned. Officially mentioned. Okay, very good. Next, Keith and kin. So tell me the right answer. Keith and kin. So this one is also very very important. So Keith and kin suggest relatives, friends, close relatives. So you can say close relatives. That is Keith and kin. So which one is the right answer? The right answer is option B. Yes, you can say blood relation. So blood relation is the right option. Next, kick up a row. So kick up a row suggests to protest or make a fuss. Actually, kick up a row means to protest. To protest, or just you can say complain. Complain. So which one is the right answer? The right answer is option B. Protest loudly. Okay, protest loudly. Jump out of one's skin. So jump means to do something quickly or eagerly. So that is jump. So jump out one's skin suggests to be extremely frightened. Okay, to be extremely frightened. Okay, so option D. Yes, be very frightened is the right answer. So look, jump out of one's skin simply suggests be very frightened. Someone who is in shock or fear. Yes, you can also add, no problem. Next, keep at an arm's length. So keep at an arm's length suggests to maintain distance. Simply to say to maintain distance. Okay, to maintain distance, or you can say avoid close involvement. No problem, avoid close involvement. So keep at an arm's length means to maintain distance. So look at the options. Option D, to keep at a distance. Yes, so option D is the right choice. Next, keep the wolf from the door. So keep the wolf from the door means to avoid starvation or poverty. To avoid starvation or poverty. Okay, or you can say to survive financially. That means option D, avoid hunger, is the right answer. Avoid hunger. So here is the wolf, and here is the door. One wolf is standing in front of your door, and what to do? You don't know. So this is the situation. So avoid hunger is the right meaning of the idiom keep the wolf from the door. Got it? Very good. Next, jockey for position. So jockey means horse riding. Okay, so jockey for position means one kind of fight for power. So jockey for position actually suggests struggle to gain. Okay, gain an advantage. Just simply you can say fight for power. Fight for power in our political system. Next, knead the brew. So knead the brew means confused, confused, angry, or you can say one kind of deep thought. Okay, deep thought, that is knit the brow. Actually brow means eyebrow. So someone who is confused, who is in the state of deep thought. So option C, to frown. To frown means someone who is very perplexed, very confused. So option C is the right answer. So knit the brow suggests to frown. Next, keep mum. Yes, this one is very very important also. Good one. So keep mum suggests to remain silent. To remain silent. To remain silent. So option C, stay quiet, is the right answer. Next, jump ship. I have already told the jump suggests to do something quickly. Actually jump suggests quickly. Quickly. So jump ship means to leave a job suddenly, or you can say to quit suddenly. To quit suddenly. To quit suddenly, or to leave a job suddenly. So option A, leave job suddenly, is the right meaning of the idiom jump ship. Jump ship. So here is the next one, kick one's heels. I think you can answer it. What is the right meaning of the idiom kick one's heels? So here is the heels. Just you can say to waste time in waiting. So option A, to waste time in waiting, is the right answer. Understand? Okay. So here is the last one, kick the bucket. So what is the right meaning of the idiom kick the bucket? So this is the question of the day. Okay, and you people tell me in the comment section what is the right answer. So look at the option: to die, to be suspicious, to be useful, and to be helpful. So that's all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this session. So keep reading, keep writing, and keep watching English Grammar and Literature World. So thanks for watching.